slightly shorter than that. It looks like a flight.
Alrighty, my friends, welcome aboard everyone, and away we go. My name is JoJo. I will be your captain today on SS Bailey. As a friendly reminder, my friends, please remain seated at this time. Please don't standing up, switching or swapping. Just keep your hands, arms, legs, and fingers into the boat and away from the water at all times. Parents, please supervise all children. That way our story must doesn't take any unexpected turns. Now, my friends, we are going to take a little moment, that way the boat ahead of us take about and get a little bit more of a head start. Alright, my friends, now as most of our stories begin at the turning of pages, ours begins in the Valley of Monstro. Monstro is actually the same world as well as Pinocchio. But don't worry, my friends, are being transported into a very magical place called Storybook Land. As we enter from the Valley of Monstro, friends, most of our stories begin with once upon a time. Our first story is the Three Little Pigs. So just around the corner, friends, on my left-hand side, there's a small dark cave that belongs to the big bad wolf. So wolf that torments my three little pigs over and over. Luckily, they built their homes here on the right. One made of hay, one made of sticks, and one made of wool or bricks. On to the next chapter, friends. Around the corner on my left once again, there's going to be a small little village where a little girl named Alice grew up. How one golden afternoon, Alice followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole, and they fell down, down, down. That's what our friend Wonderland got curious and here by right-hand side, friends, we have quiet little London Park, where Michael, John, and Wendy first took flight with Peter Pan. And with the help of our friend Peter Pan, they flew into Neverland, where they never, ever had to go left. Ahead here, my friends, we're reaching beautiful Agrabah. First, we ran named Aladdin, first met beautiful Princess Jasmine. They fell in love here, friends, and they now live in this beautiful palace with the Soul King. Ahead here, friends, we have the beautiful little rose-silk arches. These are the same arches that Aladdin and Jasmine come under and above. With the help of the magic carpet, friends, they do a whole new world. Now, for those first ones here in this new country from above, let me feel some of the mystery that you the wonders up ahead. We're deciding to the same cave where Aladdin found the magic lamp and the genie of granted him his three wishes. As we go through my friends, make a wish. Let's see if it comes true. That wish, friends, and where I create for the Cave of Wonders to my right is going to be a small little cottage with a 7-door slip. After Snow White fled from being a queen, they took her to the shelter she needed. But as you still hear them, singing, breaking, and dancing today. Here on my left-hand side, friends, is the blue Shih where Cinderella grew up. Outside Cinderella's dream was to attend the ball, and thanks to her fairy godmother, that wish was granted. Cinderella attended the ball, had such a blast that she stayed past 12. Fun fact as well, friends, on my left-hand side, there's a small bridge underneath the pink castle. There you can still see Cinderella's carriage that remains as a pumpkin. But don't worry, my friend, Cinderella did get her happily ever after. Now lives in the beautiful pink castle with her charming prince. Here my left-hand side, inspired by 1933, loved by the Symphony. Thanks to Master Storyteller Love for theater stories being created and retold today. Fun fact about Storybook Land is all my friends is most of our grass, our moss, our flowers, and our trees around here are real. The reason why everything's been exercised as well as teaching you about what a little crazy on the picture desk, except for nothing here will ever have to grow up. Now passing this bridge up ahead to the friends on my left-hand side. Unfortunately, my friends, this is no optional. He's going to be our motor vehicle ride too. Well, nowhere in particular. on my left-hand side are the beautiful mountains of Arendelle. Our queen Elsa rules the little princess sister Ana. Our girls have left the northern mountains for the Royal Palace, and they refuse to let her go. Eventually, Ana can go up to the tower of
All Space Mountain.
Now here on my right-hand side, friends, is the beautiful story Pinocchio, with the 10 wish for Pinocchio to be removed. And after Seder for the Valley of Monstro, that wish was granted. Now passing this bridge up ahead here, friends, to my right, is going to be another castle of Arendelle. This is the same castle where he met and fell in love with the beautiful and marine named Ariel. But unfortunately, friends, Ariel got quite on the road. She will understand the water was about there to turn behind the waterfall. On the right-hand side, if you look closely, where her father's name is right there. And like Cinderella, my friend, Ariel lived ever happily ever after. That will now have a long story for Shelley's here to share, my friends. If you want to wish you guys a amazing magical day, and we hope to see you guys soon. As I pull up to the dock, remain seated with those hands, arms, and fingers into the boat. And by count of 3, we will all get up together so nobody finds Nico. That's a whole different ride.